Do 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 do. Da 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 do 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 da 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 do 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 do. No. New bird. Why are we waiting right here? I don't know. We're waiting something to come. I don't know. How come you don't know like me? Because I know everything. Cause I'm joking. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh, what had just happened? Bubbles, you want to eat peanuts? I'm allergic to peanuts, so I can't eat it. Hey, Red. What? Are you allergic to bees? No, I'm not. You gotta be joking. Brownie. What? I mean, what? You talk like me. I got Bubbles there. Oh, sorry, Bubbles. It's okay. But let's see. I'm gonna do it. See, that's how you do it. Oh, I'm not a bird. I can't do it. Not me. I can. But I can do it, but I don't know what I'd do it for. But nice try, Bubbles. Thank you. I seen you at the game. I come from the mirror. So I kind of look like games. That's the mirror games. You have to go inside. Oh, yeah, we can go. Yep. We gotta see presents. Okay. How you open it? I don't have hand. I'm just gonna roll it down here. Oh, is that a Christmas tree? Yep. Ah! What is that big old people? Oh, it's just Jacob.
Hey guys, sorry. No, I'm too big, huh?
Yep, and we're little.
Look at this, yeah?
That's better. Oh, look it, presents. Finally, there's a present. It's been a long time since I was December 2nd. Whoa. Dang, you have a big old hand. Hey, don't be mean. I'll kick you out. Okay. Oh. Okay, whatever. Ah! Can I open it?
Yeah.
No.
You ripped it. You opened it.
Bubble. I'm sorry, guys. It's on accident.
Whose present is it? It's Knight's present.
I know. I wonder he can be. Down! I don't want to. I gotta hide before he takes me. What? That's his. Wait, that's his dad. That's his dad?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back in the game.
What?
I'm going back to the game. Ow. Orange. Oh my god. No, Orange he's right here. He's hiding. No, don't get him. I don't want to take him. Orange. Jacob, where's Orange? Tell me.
I don't know.
Huh? What? Oh, that's cool. That was close. Come on, Orange, come on. Ugh. Okay, let's go, Bubbles. Okay. Ugh. Bye, guys. Bye. Okay, Bubbles. We have to go sleep. Okay. Oh. Well, Red. What? We have to go to bed. What? Okay, we have to go to bed, Red. I wish that. Oh, Red, stop! What? I'm out of here. Whatever.